हाय एवरीवन, क्या हाल चाल? आई होप सब बढ़िया होंगे, मज़े में. लेट्स लेवल अप आवर इंग्लिश. सी, simple basic words seem so different when they are replaced by more advanced adjectives. Right? We feel more confident while using them. तो आज एक वर्ड लेते हैं beautiful and let's replace it with more advanced words. So the first word is ravishing. Ravishing is a very nice word. Ravishing means exceptionally beautiful. So we can say, she looked ravishing while receiving the award on stage. You simply look ravishing, my dear. She looked ravishing in her new attire. The next word is alluring. Alluring means very fascinating or attractive. Her alluring, stylish dresses draw in a lot of customers in her boutique. The next word is gorgeous, one of my favorite. So when you compliment a friend by saying you look beautiful, you can say you look gorgeous. Gorgeous. Such a nice word, na? Okay, so another word for beautiful is stunning. Stunning means strikingly beautiful. It can be used for scenic, picturesque views. Like the view from the mountaintop was stunning. It can also be used to describe people or things. He looked stunning in his new suit. Her stunning outfit made everyone turn to look at her. Another one is charming. Charming means delightfully attractive. The innocence of the young kids was charming. Or the charming kids put up a delightfully attractive show. Okay, so one more. Ethereal. Ethereal is also a very nice word. It means celestial, delicate, heavenly, angel-like. Her ethereal beauty couldn't be captured by the greatest painters. Or the new girl's ethereal beauty and immense talent made her one of the most popular students. Let's take one more. Elegant. Elegant is a person who is very graceful and stylish. So we can say the new principal charmed her staff by her elegant looks and soft demeanor. Now I hope you will implement these words. If you are on this video, that means you want to improve your English. So it will not happen if you keep on scrolling videos after videos and reels. Unless and until you decide that this is it, I will give my 100%. So I have made a lot of videos on vocabulary enhancement. I will give a playlist in the description. Please check it. Also, I have made a video on how to improve the vocabulary. Please go through it. It will really help. So in that video, I have given some tips. One of them is to make a notebook. Take any simple copy, any notebook. Please see that it's plain. Nothing is written on it from before. Give it a fancy name like my stunning book of vocabulary, my ravishing book of vocabulary and words, like the words that we have discussed just now in the video. And at least write one word in that. It's not that कि पूरे जीवन भर आप लोग को ये vocabulary book maintain करनी होगी, but at least for the initial stages when you are in the process of learning a language, start doing it and revise. I can never insist on how important the revision is. You'll really be surprised at how these words pop up at the right time. So by the end of the month, you will have at least 20 or 30 odd words which you are revising every day. And you will really know the difference in your conversation and in your writing capacity. I hope you will implement these techniques. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and please share it.